these are the main ingredients of your HR plan. Spend 5-10 minutes on it, you're ready, and the people will love it. Hi, my name is Tom Haak of the HR Trend Institute. And today I'm going to guide you in making your HR plan for 2023. And it probably only takes around 5 minutes. So that's easy. I'm often in meetings of HR teams, often big gatherings. And then I'm there to inspire the crowd with the HR trends. But often before me, that's the moment when the CHRO enters the room and explains to his people or her people what the HR plan is. And it's interesting that many of those HR plans have the same type of characteristics. There's always three balls, three balls, 3 circles with topics in it. I will come back to that later. And there's generally something around how do we connect to the company purpose. So connect to the company purpose, 3 balls, and then many projects. And then generally you feel that the crowd is saying, oh, there she is again, there he is again. Luckily, many of those projects are not finished yet, and we won't be able to finish them. So much for the introduction. So I'm registering what I'm drawing, but I have to just check whether you can see me. Yeah, I think so. And so of course, in your plan, there should be 3 balls. Yeah, 3 balls, 3 circles. That's always a good starting point of the plan. And I'll come back what you put in the circles. It's always good to talk about the basics. Let me look again. Yeah, you can see it. Basics. So this is the basics. Basics. We have to get the basics right, and the basics are never right. Most HR teams spend a lot of time on getting the basics right, and they never have time for other things. So, but it should be in the plan, and maybe then a little arrow there as well. I'm not a super drawer, but an arrow is always good because that connotates progress. Yes, so 3 balls, and then I don't have enough room for that, but I'll try to draw it like this. You need pillars. A good plan has pillars, basics and pillars. And yeah, what are those pillars? Of course, maybe one of those pillars is leadership. Always good. Leadership is one of those pillars. Pillar number 1, leadership. Sorry for my handwriting. And well, what is the other pillar? Maybe something like the clients. Always good to put the clients in your plan. Our clients are one of the pillars of our organization. And then you see where this is going, you need a roof. You need a roof, and the roof is a good place to put your slogan for the coming year. Yeah, you have to design your own slogan, but it's always something like an ingredient is people first. people first. But that's too much. Only focus on the people. So maybe you do something like we contribute to society. Yeah? That connects, of course, nicely to the purpose of the company. We are there to have a great impact on society. So people, society, maybe something around, I don't know, sustainability, but that will come back. So we have got the basics. First, people here, we have got to get the basics right, and we don't have them yet. And the basics, of course, have to do with your systems and with your people analytics, etc., etc. We know. Then leadership. Ooh, do we have the leadership for the future? Never. So we have to strengthen and build our leadership. Then the question is, what do you put in the balls, in the circles? What I see, there has to be something around diversity. Diversity, equity, inclusion, belonging. That's and your CEO of your boss will say, where is diversity? Because people are asking me about that. One, diversity. Then generally there is something around performance. We have to create a performance culture. Yes? HR help us to create a great performance culture. So diversity, equity, inclusion, belonging, performance culture. What's more? We have only got 3 circles. Sometimes, generally, there's always talent in one of the balls. But talent, of course, is very much also connected to leadership. So you might, if you cheat a little bit, also, put something here around talent. Your plan, talent. That leaves you room for this ball circle. Maybe I would suggest something around sustainability. Sustainability. Then you can say also something about learning. Lifelong learning, that's always good. Lifelong learning, always good. Skills for the future. You could also say skills. Skills for the future. Yes, HR will work on diversity, equity, inclusion, belonging. We will drive the performance culture, and we will make sure that we are ready for the future, that we have the skills for the future. Of course, we continue to work on our leadership pillar, often by organizing nice programs with business schools. Everybody likes that. Then the other pillar is clients. Yeah, we as HR don't know exactly what to do with the clients, but it's good to have a pillar, and that will lead. Let's say we have a house where an organization where it's people first, but we also care about our clients. We care about the people in society. But unfortunately, next year we will have to spend most time on getting the basics right, as every year. So it took me a little bit over 5 minutes, but you can see it. These are the main ingredients of your HR plan. Spend 5-10 minutes on it, you're ready, and the people will love it if you put the right words in it. Of course, you add a nice company logo here, the company logo, and the slogan for the whole plan. The slogan for the whole plan is also important. What is a good slogan? I don't know. You have to think about that yourself. It has to be connected to your organization, to your business. So, good luck. And if you want more, go to the website of the HR Trend Institute. I'd like you to subscribe to this channel, link to me on LinkedIn or connect to me on LinkedIn, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.